Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another limited edition box to share with you and it's from Beauty Bay. This is their routine refresh box and it was only available on their app. It contains 12 beauty products, has a value of £125 and it was sold for £35. Pop a link to Beauty Bay down below and any offers they've got currently running on their website, and also a link so that you can type in your email address, so then you'll be notified whenever they release any new limited edition boxes. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. It is jam-packed. We've got a leaflet here. It says here, at certain times of the year, our skincare routines require a few tweaks to give our complexions an extra boost. Once the temperatures creep past 10 degrees, that's the cue for a spring skincare overhaul. There's no better time to hit the reset button on your complexion. Switch to lighter textured cleansers and moisturizers. Introduce gentle exfoliation. Focus on maintaining your skin barrier with ingredients like ceramides and prebiotics. And most importantly, be serious about SPF. And what I really like, what they've done, they've given me an AM to PM routine with all the products that are in the box, telling you when to use them. Yeah, I really like that, and how often as well, like twice a week, etc. Okay then, so let's go through it. First up, we've got some cleansing pads from Revolution. This is Revolution Skincare London makeup removing cushions. Come in a little pouch like this. I adore these. Oh, there's 3 of them. I absolutely adore these. I love makeup cleansing cloths. I remove my makeup with them all the time. My daughter does as well. But rounds like this, yeah, I prefer. They just seem to get my makeup off much nicer and easier as well than a cloth. I just really like them. They're just nice and soft. Yeah, really nice. So happy that I've got a few more now. Next, I've got a Super Jelly Cleansing Gel, Prebiotic and Avocado for rebalancing and refreshing skin for all skin types. This is from by Beauty Bay. It's their own brand and 150 mils here. They're all cruelty-free and vegan, targeted ingredients and simple formulas. So there's a jelly cleanser there, Super Jelly Cleanser. A refreshing cleansing gel which supports balanced and healthy looking skin, rich in hydrating and moisturising ingredients to leave skin feeling clean but comfortable. It's got a jelly cleanser. Next we got a SkinHit Balancing Serum from Beauty Bay, and this is a balancing and boosting skin for all skin types, and there's 50 mils there. A serum formulated with prebiotics and postbiotics to help balance and renew the skin, as well as encouraging skin's barrier recovery. It looks like that. Oh, and it's got a QR code here. Scan this code for more information about the products and details on how to recycle this bottle. I like that. Next, we've got some cleansing pads. This is by Carbon Theory, tea tree oil and glycolic acid, 60 breakout control cleansing pads, lab formulated with ACB fruit extracts, deep cleansing pore unclogging formula, exfoliates and keeps your complexion clear, and they're also vegan and cruelty free. Ooh, you might not be able to see much because of the ring light. There. I'm going to give those to my daughter. It's all sealed in there. I think she would really like those. There's that. Next we've got an upcycle face scrub made with repurposed coffee grounds, and this is the citrus blend. There's 100 mils. Now I've tried this a few times. Upcycle is a gorgeous brand, really lovely. I like their moisturizers, I've tried their serums, but it smells absolutely stunning. It smells coffee, obviously, but oh yeah, look, coffee and lemons. That's what it smells like. I'll just try a bit there. You can feel the little bits there, but it's not harsh at all. Then we've got an exfoliating scrub there. Next, we've got a Brushworks. This is a ice roller. Relieves stressed out skin with a soothing ice roller. The stainless steel facial roller helps to promote blood circulation and ease tension, keep in the fridge for an ultra cool effect. Now, I've already got one of these. I've got a smaller version of this. I think I got it in like a FabFitFun or something. or maybe it is the same size, I can't remember, but in all honesty I hardly use it. I love using a rose quartz roller, little facial rollers. I use those, but I like the idea of it rolling out your wrinkles. So there's that. Next, we've got another product by B from Beauty Bay. This is a face lotion with SPF 50, UVA and UVB protection, protecting and moisturising skin for all skin types. And there's 50 mils there. Oh wow, I love the factor 50. A broad spectrum SPF 50 lotion, perfect for smoothing the skin whilst protecting from sun exposure and air pollution. That's what it looks like there. And again, it's got a QR code on the back there for more information. Still a few more to go. We've got Good Cera Super Ceramide Cream, 72 hours, 7 free. Deep moisturization lasts up to 72 hours, 7 ingredients free. And there's 20 mils here. Oh, it's Good Cera by Holika. It's a Korean skincare brand. Highly moisturising ceramide cream that provides 72 hours of significant moisturisation for healthy skin result. So it looks like there. So we've got a moisturiser by Holika. Then we've got a product from Glow Hub, a hydration hero facial serum. Contains hyaluronic acid and there's 15 mils there. I don't think I've ever had anything from this brand before. Glow Hub. I don't think so. It says parched, stressed skin. No, I can't read it. I can't read it. Let's show you what it looks like though. I love the bottle. What's it say there? I'm here for skin that needs a bit of hydration. Next we've got an Aurelia London Brightening Eye Serum. This is a little sample, 7 mils. Then we've got 2 masks. We've got a mask from Tony Moly, Panda's Dream Eye Patch, under eye patches. There's those. And we've got a anti-blue light sheet mask with ginger and antioxidants, hydrates and supports blue light defense. It's a sheet mask from OK. So there you go, so those are all the products inside the Beauty Bay Routine Refresh box. I'm really happy I went for it. There's a lot of products I haven't tried before. There's a few products I am going to give away, more so to my daughter. I think there's a few here that she would really like. Overall for the value, I do think there's a lot of products in here. And I actually got £10 off it because I shop on Beauty Bay now and again and I accumulated points and I didn't realise that I had £10 saved up in points. So I used it. So I got this box for £25 then. So even more of a bargain. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Obviously it's sold out, unfortunately, but did you manage to get it for yourself? What do you think of the products? Or are you watching this just out of curiosity? I'd love to hear what you think of it. Or please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.